Hello everyone, my name is Adhwa Kurniawan. I'm from class 9-1. I will explain about how to make cireng. It's all ingredients. 1. 250 grams of sago flour. 2. 3 cloves of garlic, powder broth, salt, and 250 milliliters of water. Ingredients for sauce: 1. Sweet soy sauce. 2. Chili powder. 3 sauce. And 4 tablespoons of boiled water. Mortar, frying pan, spatula, plate, colander, and flat spoon. Okay, now we move to the pot. First, mix the water, salt, powder broth, garlic finale. Then stir variably. Then take a spoonful of sago flour. Then stir and turn on the stove just a small fire. Stir until thick knight. Mix the sago flour with the dough earlier. Stir until well blended, then we shape. Heat the oil, then fry the cireng until cooked dry. And finish.